All right, I legitimately want a solution to the anti-MLM and network marketing content and debate and this and that. And I want to come to the table to find out exactly the one thing that I legitimately don't understand. I get that the whole concept for network marketing is always going to be, it's a scam. And the scam is, it's not the system. It's get people to become a customer or a business partner and then get them to stay as a customer, as a business partner. In the bar industry, we call those regulars, because they were the ones who came in at least once or twice a week and we made money off them regularly, whatever. And then every other business does this with membership, right? Your gym, your Netflix used to be the CD or the cassette tape of the month club. I know some of you are too young to remember that, or not too young to not even remember that. But the point being is it the system is a scam, or is it your ability to duplicate what the system wants you to do as a scam? Now, I get the pressure that's involved with network marketing. Get in, hurry up, get to people, and all this kind of stuff. They don't teach sales skills. They don't teach networking skills, marketing skills, people skills. There's a lot of that I agree with, but the system is not a skill. My question is, if you're a supporter of the anti-MLM community and you are not demanding that your people who are always putting out videos for you to like, view, that they get paid off of, and then they say, use my promo code to go to my store and make a purchase. If you are not recognizing they are doing the exact same thing to you, which is they are marketing to their network for you to wind up making a purchase to support them, either they click on their views, their videos get paid, buy their content, subscribe to their Patreon and become a member. How are you not calling them out for the exact same hypocrisy that they are calling out the network marketing community? Now, I understand the number one recruiting, right? That's going to be the number one aspect of it. Well, they're not recruiting. They're not recruiting. I understand that. I agree with that. They probably incentivize for third-person word of mouth networking. Well, if Judy brings in Jane, Jane gets this, I'll give you 5% off of your next purchase. I understand that could be the case, but even more so, what I understand is they're in a position to wind up improving the industry. And why is it that many of these women made it to the top of their companies? And they say that they left after getting to the top of their companies, and they never stayed within their companies to call out the corporate or to make the change for everybody that was underneath them. Are you telling me that every single woman who's ever made it to the top of a network marketing company, and then all of a sudden it becomes an anti-MLM, hey hun, boss babe, disadvocate, they just said, no, don't give me any more of those residual checks. They made it to the very top. So you're telling me the next year's worth of checks that came in, they just gave back? And if they cared so much about their community, did they stay in there and say, listen, this happened to me, all several hundred of you who are underneath me, I want you to know exactly how to avoid this problem, and I'm going to work with corporate to make sure that I'm leaving, but it doesn't happen to you. Are you asking these people in the comment section every time you harump them and say, yeah, expose so-and-so for telling the story about how this product helped her kids? Oh yeah, tell this story while this person's crying and how awesome their product was or how awesome their team is. Oh, this person's talking about Jesus is their team and they're leveraging their faith. Are you asking them the same questions that they're accusing us of in the network marketing industry? Furthermore, why is it that every single person who has ever been anti-MLM, that has ever done content on me, has either backed out of a debate or has just completely disappeared when I said, hey, come on, let's have a conversation? Why are you not demanding that your anti-MLM people that you support so much don't come on to my content, their content, and destroy me live, unedited, destroy me with all of their thousands of hours of videos that they've done on anti-MLM content? They should be able to pick me apart in an instant. Why are you not demanding that they silence one of the biggest advocates for network marketing out there? You should be doing that. The point being is, I understand the network marketing industry has a long way to go as far as the representation, the sensationalism, the hype, the motivation, the pain points. Oh, all you have to do is talk to two people. I get that. For a very long time, for not understanding what the industry is, I used that same type of leverage on the people I brought in, and it was wrong. I didn't understand this business is nothing more than direct sales. It is providing value and letting people make a decision. It is leadership, it is recruiting, and it is duplicating that and teaching that to others. And if the industry wasn't so pressured on people in the beginning, you would have a much longer longevity rate for people to stay in. But As we know, human nature, most people are lazy. They drop out right away because they don't see results. This is why that most people are not entrepreneurs. They don't open up brick and mortars, which do fail within the first 3 to 5 years of business anyways. Just something to think about. I want to know why people in the anti-MLM community are so quick to defend their people for having them shop with their promo code on their YouTube, on their Instagram, on their Linktree page, but they're so quick to condemn people who are part of a company, all because some person claimed they made it to the top. It was clearly a scam. They left and they did nothing to stay to help the industry and correct the problems outside of starting a social media channel and complaining about something that they were probably fucking horrible to begin with, which is just dealing and interacting with people.